Well, as you can see, Grandma's been shopping. I got a few new things for Valentines. Most of our Valentines displays are going to be with things that I've shopped my house and looked for. But I do have a few new things. And like I keep saying, I'm going to get a lot pickier and get things that are just really special that I do love a lot. I thought she would go perfect. What do you think? Isn't she beautiful? Her beautiful ears, her beautiful blue eyes, and her beautiful top hat. I love you. And the beautiful black and white check ribbon, and the beautiful sleeves on her shirt, and her velvet jacket, and her velvet pants, and the wonderful little booties with the little red hearts on it and the little red bows. I thought it was so pretty. When I saw this one, I saw one at Christmas time. I was wanting to get it, and I said, oh, I'll get it next time. It wasn't there next time. If you're at HomeGoods, you need to see, when you see something you really like, you need to buy it because you may never see it again. So that's why I bought her. She's as pretty as can be. Her face just lights up. Well, those big, beautiful blue eyes and the rosy cheeks and the little pink lips. Just precious. Love her. And dressed perfectly, too. They had other ones that were similar, but this was my favorite, so I bought it. Well, let's see what else Grandma bought for Valentine's. I spent $17 for this beautiful little fairy. Well, I shouldn't say fairy. She doesn't have wings. But you know, we could put some wings on her. So we'll wait and see what we do with her. And I got these cute little bowls. I thought they'd be cute. They're red with little white hearts. And they were pretty reasonable. $5 for two. So I have two little bowls here for $2.50. I thought it was a pretty good buy, and I really liked it. And I hope you feel the same way. Let's see if it says where they were made at. Who knows? Oh, I'd have to remove the ribbon to even see. But I'm pretty sure it's made in China. Most everything is. But as you can see, I got a really good price on it, and I think it was worth the money. And I also got some wonderful pasta to make something for Valentine's also. As you can tell, the green and red and white pasta. And hopefully it's going to taste good. You know, we only can hope. I figure I can at least make 3 or 4 meals out of this, and I can use it for when I do my tablescapes and stuff and show some food actually being prepared. And maybe make some macaroni salad with it, and put some tuna or something in it and mayonnaise. Sounds good and yummy to me. What does it sound like to you? Then we can have a cooking video. Grandma is going to try to reuse, repurpose, and do as many videos as she can with whatever she buys. So when you see me showing you what I'm bought, I'm not going to use it just for one time. It'll be used at least 3 or 4 times for each month. I really am not hardly buying anything for Valentine's. What you're seeing today is probably going to be it. But I did get quite a few things, so I was pretty happy with. The pasta looks like it'll make a great pasta salad. I got some beautiful porcelain salad plates, and there's a set of 4. I paid $9.99 for them, so I paid $2.50 for each salad plate. They have a beautiful pattern on them, and they'll go with anything I want them to go with, and that's why I bought them. I have quite a few plates with patterns, and I wanted to use these salad plates more than one time. So you'll be seeing these salad plates being used at least once to maybe 3 times a month. And I thought they were really pretty. They have a very simple but pretty pattern on them. What do you think? Well, I hope you enjoyed what I've found so far. Have a couple more things to share. This teapot has nothing to do with Valentine's. I just happened to see it, and I said, oh my gosh, I love that teapot. Now, I do have some white cups that I can use with it. I will keep looking and hopefully I can find some teacups with this pattern. But, you know, when you see a really cute teapot, you need to purchase it. And I do have a large teapot collection, and someday we may share it all with you, but it's going to be a lot of time and work to find all the pieces. But when I see a teapot I really love, I do try to pick them up. This was finished off really nice. I love the little flower finial on top and the pretty flowers along the teapot itself. And it was $12.95. And here I have a couple more fancy things. This was $14.99, and I wanted to get something fancy because I don't do a lot of fancy things, and these napkin rings are just beautiful. And I said I need to start picking a few pieces up as I find them, because I have a lot of friends that do very elaborate tablescapes, and I don't really have pieces to do that with. So I thought this would be perfect. So let me know what you thought of the napkin rings. They really are one of my favorite things that I picked up. So I guess I really shouldn't say that. Just about everything except for the napkins and the pasta, I think, are things I really love. I was real happy with this one. And I do like the red and white hearts, little bowls. I think they'd be a great, little dessert or a little pasta bowl. Well, we have two more little things to share with you. And here's my last two things I wanted to share. These two little enclosed. I can use them for butter or anything else I might want that's small amount. I thought they were super pretty, and I'm real happy with them. And won't they go beautiful with those gorgeous napkin rings? I want to do something fancy maybe at least one time for Valentines. So I'm going to try to join in with probably Glamour Ellen on something to do with Valentines. We'll see. And of course, I can't wait to use my little elf in my centerpiece. Isn't she the prettiest little elf you've ever seen? Oh yeah, I love her. And I have a lot of red and white pieces, and I can't wait to share them with you. I have a lot of pieces besides what I've shared. But these are all the new pieces I bought, and this is all I'm buying for January. Grandma's putting herself on a strict budget and no going over to HomeGoods because I have no willpower at that store. Hugs and kisses to all of you that stopped by. Hope you enjoyed what Grandma found at the store today. And I can't wait to share what I find shopping my house next. And let's see what I can put together.